Hi, today, I am gonna speak about 10 best affiliate programs for beginners. After watching this video, please hit like, share and comment. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to receive notifications. The 10 best affiliate programs for beginners are: Number 1. ClickBank. It is one of the oldest affiliate network just like Commission Junction. This network offers great benefits for new affiliate marketers. Commission rates up to 75% will be approved as per the products. Number 2. Commission Junction. It is one of the most trusted and oldest affiliate networks in the world. It has great reporting features and receive payment on time each month. You can choose from a wide variety of advertisers. It is a great network for new affiliate marketers. Number 3. ShareASale. This affiliate network is the best one for new affiliates to make money online. There is a lot of merchants to choose from. You can select the best which suits for your blog or website. Number 4. Hosting Affiliate. Hosting Affiliate is the highest paid affiliate program. You can earn around $100 or more for a single web hosting. The most popular sites are Bluehost, Hostinger, SiteGround, HostGator, WebHosting, DreamHost, GoDaddy, etc. Create your hosting affiliate website with .com domain extension or your country's specific domain extension. Most importantly, SEO is necessary. Number 5. SEO software and WordPress themes. This is the best affiliate program for new affiliate marketers. If you are a blogger and making money online, then you can start selling dozens of internet marketing softwares and WordPress themes. Popular sites in this category are Uber, SEMrush, Ahrefs, GetResponse, Genesis and Elegant Themes, WordPress plugins, keyword research tools, Blackhat SEO software, etc. Number 6. Coupon Affiliate Programs. One of the best online money-making affiliate program is creating Coupon Site. Coupon Site needs good SEO and promotions to increase website traffic and sales. Sign up with affiliate program on all the top online stores, receive affiliate link and insert it on your website on daily basis. Number 7. Amazon Associates. Amazon Affiliate Program is one of the most widely used affiliate program by affiliate marketers. It is really a great website for new affiliates. You can promote whatever product you like. Sign up process is easy. Number 8. Health Products. Health products play a major role every day in humans' life. You can promote health products and make handsome money from this industry. Number 9. Rakuten Linkshare. It is one of the best affiliate network which provides rotating banners with good interface and large merchant space to choose products. Number 10. Job Sites. Job portals like Naukri, Monster, Indeed, CareerBuilder, etc. are high commission affiliate programs. You can promote these websites and also promote hundreds of websites related to resume writing, cover letter, etc. That's all in this video. Please stay subscribed for new videos. Thank you.